Hey everyone, Ray here from Nest Mortgage, and I hope you're having a great day out there. And boy, do I miss 2021, where more than once I had to lament finding a creative way to tell you that the Bank of Canada was holding their policy rate steady yet again. And what I wouldn't give to have that problem today as I contemplate ways to soften the blow of yet another Bank of Canada rate increase. So today, Tiff Macklem, Governor of Bank of Canada, announced that they are increasing their overnight rate by 0.5%. And for those keeping score at home, that is now the seventh consecutive rate hike of 2022 for a grand total of 4%, which is not insignificant to say the least. It is something that's being pretty broadly felt. Now, if there was a positive or a glimmer of hope to be taken from today's announcement, it was that the Bank of Canada shifted their dialogue and their narrative away from judging that rates will have to rise further to them considering whether or not rates will have to rise further. And though I don't think the Bank of Canada is any position to close the door entirely on rate hikes, as inflation expectations are still quite high, and that is something they have to actively manage, it does send a pretty clear signal that if we are not at the end of this thing, we are very, very close to it. And I think that is important to the psyche of Canadian borrowers and potential home buyers, just to give us a little bit more sure footing and direction on how to proceed forward. Now, just yesterday, the Bank of Canada also tweeted that it takes 18 to 24 months for these interest rate increases to filter their way through the system. So though a pause and a hold would be welcome news, it is by no means a signal that we are at the end of this. Now, for these interest rate increases to do their job, which is to cool off the economy to something that's a little bit more sustainable from the intense overheating that was a result of stimulus and ultra low interest rates, there will be some sacrifices and a little bit of pain being felt over the foreseeable future. And for those that are in a market or in a situation, I should say, where they're feeling a little bit extra pinch on their budgets and have some uncertainty and are looking for some guidance, reach out. If you know anybody in that situation, reach out. I think it's important to get a handle on that, get a little bit of guidance, put your mind at ease, and look for solutions to free up some cash flow as we inevitably head into what is going to be a tighter period of time. At the end of this, though, there will be some normalcy. As with all things, this too shall pass, but it's how we navigate from here to there and to that endpoint. So if you have any questions, if you know anybody that's in need of some guidance, please reach out. We're happy to lend a voice, an ear, whatever is needed to guide you through the next period of time. And again, good luck out there.